Tesla Model S Plaid, was stuck and stranded in the deep snow in the middle of nowhere. Cybertruck was passing by and came to the rescue, with snow and all-terrain tires in the snow-covered mountains of Colorado. It was a tough job to pull out the Model S Plaid from the snow, but Cybertruck's performance is amazing and the truck just pulled it out with ease. The Model S was running on summer performance tires, and was stuck deep like a foot of snow. Not a good mix, and not sure what the driver was even thinking to take it out in a snow-filled mountain. Cybertruck has come a long way from being stuck in the snow last year, to pulling out multiple vehicles stuck in the snow and other terrain. The overall performance of Cybertruck is so amazing that it's the go-to truck when it comes to snow. What do you think? Let us know in the comments section.